Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Instagram app on your iPhone. Very easy guys, very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the actual app store, okay? And then you want to type on the search bar the Instagram app, okay? So in this way you will find out if you have the most recent version. So if you look at over here, it says open, okay? So this means that you, in my case, I personally have the most recent update. If that was not the case, essentially here it will says update, right? So for example, if I come over here, right, let's say Facebook. If you see over here, my apps are all updated. The thing is that if you didn't update your app, you might be missing a lot of the new features. So essentially every time when you wonder is your app up to date, you gotta come over here, type the app, and then figure it out, is it up to date or it is not. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.